Christmas time is a fun time of year, and it's a stressful time of year. Christmas time usually means getting to spend time with your friends and family, spending way too much money at the store, and then stressing over whether the person you bought that special gift for is going to like it or not. Well, today I'm going to help you with that last one. I am Joshua Purcell, and here are my top 5 Christmas gift ideas for that special woodworker in your life. Before I get started, I feel I can vouch for woodworkers in general and say that sometimes we're kind of picky about our tools. So on this list, I'm not going to recommend any tools or recommend that you purchase any tools. So here, let's start it off with number 5, glue, screws, and nails. Trust me, I did the research, and 97.2% of projects use one of these, 1, 2, or all 3 of these items. Research or not aside, these can be nice gifts that will definitely get used by your special woodworker. If you're not sure which ones they use, sneak out to the shop, take pictures. Most of the screws or nails have what they are, 1 5/8 inch, 8 gauge, star drive. Take a picture. The green, at least at Home Depot, the green is tied to a specific style of screw, and you can buy the sizes you think they need. Nails, I have brad nails on here because I'm not sure how many woodworkers actually use regular nails in projects anymore. But nails, brad nails, glue, I use Titebond 2 and 3. You can get it in these little handy sizes, or you can get a gallon. And the screws come in all kinds of sizes, from 25 pounds to 5 to 1. Even the correct screws, you can buy those as well. Number 4 on my list is a glue bot. While we just mentioned buying glue, well, what better way than a way to apply that glue? My glue bot, and I have one as you can see here, and I personally recommend this because every project that I use glue on, I almost always use my glue bot. Mine came with the glue bot, this little bottle here, which I don't use a lot, a little attachment to help you as spreading it, holds it between the boards. This little attachment fits over a board and lets you get right in the center. Whenever applying that glue, it screws right onto the top there. And I believe it'll screw on this one as well. Mine also came with a roller, which I don't know where it's at since I've been moving from my garage shop to my new standalone shop. But like I said, I definitely recommend the glue bot. Little side accessory is I bought this at, I believe, Woodcraft. If I could find the link, I'll put it down below. It's a little brush. You can reuse these. The glue comes right off of these silicone brushes in a little tray here that you can just set this in, or if you have you can set anything in that's got glue or paint, and it comes off of this very easily. So the glue bot is number 4. Number 3 on that list is wood. Yes, I'm serious. Buy your woodworker wood. Sounds simple, doesn't it? But if you're not sure, because wood can be pricey and you're not sure what you want to buy, well, if your woodworker builds small projects like I sometimes do, there's a link below to a box you can get on Amazon that comes with random cutoff links. This wood in this box is random links that I've actually myself purchased. These are all hardwoods, from maple to walnut, cherry, oak, all kinds of things are in here. And I can tell you, I think I bought 3 of these boxes all together, and I've used a ton of the wood out of these boxes. I think you get 10 to 15 pounds. I don't remember exactly for sure how much you get. But seriously, this is a great gift that you can get for your special woodworker. Number 2 on my list is batteries. And I mean batteries for cordless tools like drills or grinders or impact drivers or biscuit joiners, whatever kind of wood cordless tools that your special woodworker has. That's what I'm talking about here. And let's be honest, it's 2018, so every woodworker now has to have at least one battery-powered item in their shop, I would think. So check out what kind of batteries they use, whether it's Makita, Milwaukee, DeWalt, Ryobi, any of them, and get them a battery. A lot of times this time of year, places like Home Depot, which I have here locally, will put their batteries on sale. Either put them on sale or you can buy 2 for the price of 1. So this is a great time to stock up on those batteries for that woodworker in your life. Number 1 is a gift card. And yeah, I'm kind of surprised this made the top of my list, but after I thought about it, I was like, duh. You know the places that your special woodworker shops, so get them a gift card to one or multiple of those places. Then they have the free range to go buy exactly what they want, whether it's wood, glue, screws, or maybe even tools that they've had their eye on all year and just haven't pulled the trigger on it. So give them a gift card and let them buy exactly what they want. I have a link in the description that'll take you to my website that'll have more information about these items that I listed into this video. So if you want to see those, you can go there. There'll be links to all the items that I could find on Amazon listed below and on the website article. Remember, if you click those links and buy literally anything, a little bit of that money comes back to me through the affiliate program with Amazon. So if you really want to help out the channel, make sure you click on those links. And I appreciate all those who have already used those links. I can't tell you how much that helps me make these videos. If you can't get enough My Next Project, you can check me out on Instagram and Twitter and give me a follow there. I post pictures occasionally on there, not real often, or I make comments on there. So you can definitely give me a follow and see exactly what's going on in the shop up to date. Thanks again for watching, and as always, y'all will see me next time. And Merry Christmas.